Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Remote Control Excavator Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
The 2.4 GHz 1/32 RC Engineering Car Excavator is a fun and realistic construction vehicle toy with remote control functionality. Featuring durable design, flexible bucket movement, and smooth operation, it delivers engaging playtime. Perfect for kids and hobbyists, this RTR RC excavator enhances creativity and construction roleplay fun.
Number 3.
The Huina Kaliwo 124 RC Excavator Truck Model 13550 is a realistic remote-controlled construction toy with a working bucket digger. Built for durability and fun, it offers smooth operation, lifelike details, and engaging play. A perfect educational and entertaining gift for children who love vehicles.
Number 2.
The 1.2-ton small mini digger is a cost-effective, compact excavator built with a reliable CE/EPA/Euro 5 engine for eco-friendly performance. Designed for landscaping, farming, and light construction, this crawler digger offers powerful digging, easy operation, and durability, making it ideal for wholesale buyers and contractors.
Number 1.
The HW25 Mini Excavator is a powerful yet compact construction machine designed for versatility and efficiency. With a 2.5-ton capacity and durable diesel engine, it delivers excellent digging force for landscaping, construction, and agricultural projects. Its enclosed cab provides comfort and safety, while the bucket and customizable attachments enhance performance. Ideal for tight spaces.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.